Russian aerospace forces, missile troops and artillery have launched massive fire attacks at the units and reserve forces of the armed forces of Ukraine. The units of the 65th Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces were hit by concentrated fire near Kirovo in Zaporozhye region. The enemy losses were up to 100 Ukrainian servicemen, as well as more than 10 units of military equipment. The positions of the 54th and the 93rd Mechanized Brigades and the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Verkhnekamenskoye, Spornoye, Berostovoye, Artyomovsk and Zaitsevo in Donetsk People's Republic have been eliminated. The enemy losses were over 110 servicemen and 20 units of military equipment. The 14th Mechanized Brigade's manpower and military equipment near Kochetok, Rogan, Doroshenkovo, Velikaya Babka and Chugurev in Kharkov region, along with the 63rd Mechanized Brigade near Vermeivka, have been eliminated by high-precision strikes by the Russian Air Force. As